Tronsmart T6 Mini is small and portable Bluetooth speaker at a very affordable price. It seems durable and strong and you can feel the weight of the speaker. In the box with the speaker you will get USB-C charging cable, 3.5mm audio cable, detachable strap, warranty card and user manual. This is 15-watt speaker and battery should last up to 24 hours depending on what volume you are listening to. It's water resistant, so you don't need to worry if the water splashes it, and you can also use it by the pool. It has Bluetooth 5.0 and connection is stable and it connects fast to another Bluetooth device. If you're holding play pause button, you can use voice assistant like Siri or Cortana. It supports true wireless stereo and you can connect another speaker for true stereo sound. If you're not using the speaker or if you're not connected to another Bluetooth device, it shuts down automatically after 10 minutes of inactivity. Tronsmart T6 Mini is a great little speaker and the battery seems to last forever. If you don't want to spend a lot of money on a Bluetooth speaker and you want a big sound in a small package with great battery life, I highly recommend it.